Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and guess what? I'm finally going to share with you my mixed fruit non-baked pie.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Okay, first things first, of course we need some of the mixed fruit that you get from the food pantry. I got a graham cracker crust. I've already got some very hot water. Excuse me, not water, it's the juice off the mixed fruit I boiled up, okay? I've got some raspberry gelatin, some half and half, and whipped topping for the end, okay? First things first, we're gonna dissolve our raspberry gelatin in the boiling hot now fruit juice from the mixed fruit, okay? You gotta make sure you dissolve it all. I was gonna use a bowl, but I'm just gonna use the pot. Now, once you have this all dissolved, it's all mixed in there, I want you to take half of your fruit and put it in the base of the pie tin, okay? We're gonna spread it around, and we're gonna reserve the rest for a smoothie recipe. I'm gonna show you how to do that too, okay? You're gonna freeze the rest of this. Not in the can, but in a separate container. Now, I think that's pretty well dissolved. I'm gonna take a cup. A cup of half and half. Really? Well, as you see, nieces and nephews, this one was being ignorant and wouldn't open.
Also, you bought the wrong one.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
low fat.
Oh, I'm taking this back. No, 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 no. No, no. This recipe calls for full fat. All right. Take a cup of the half and half. Okay? And put it in.
The Jello.
Yes, with the Jello. Okay? Now mix this in real good. Oh, yeah. Excuse my excitement, but this is a very good friend of mine. This is one of the quickest pies you'll ever make. One of the most funnest pies you'll ever make because you don't have to bake it. And you can do this with your kids. Once this is all incorporated, okay? You want to really get it mixed, aerated, all right? Pour it into your pie crust, just like that. Oh, look at that. Okay? Now, we're going to take the top that comes with it, put it on top, close it up. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours until it is firm, okay? Then after that, we're going to pull it out and decorate it. And it'll be ready to eat. It is just that simple. All right, we'll be right back in about an hour or two, and we're going to show you the final result. Okay, nieces and nephews, guess what? It's done. Look at that. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, now we're going to decorate it. Just simple. Ta-da!
Cool.
Now, if we want to be extra fancy, right in the middle, we put some sprinkles. Just like that. I'm gonna cut this so you guys can see how it looks.
I can't wait to see what it looks like in the middle with that jello
Oh,
and the fruit.
Hope I can cut this right. Oh, how cool is that?
Looks good.
Yes. All right. This looks so good. First bite goes to you guys. Oh, that's good.
And there was no sugar added.
This is light, nice, especially for summertime. It's the easiest dessert you'll ever make. Come on, this is the easiest pie you'll ever make. No bake. Like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, we're trying to get 5,000 subscribers at least. And we're doing a giveaway. Uncle Chris aprons and spice, okay? Come on, spread me around. If you want me to make some more easy desserts, let me know. Write me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, @gmail.com. Big love from your Uncle Chris.